Today will be the day that I will contribute to Ruby on Rails. Let me check out the repository to find an issue to contribute to. So here I am on the repository. And wow, it looks a bit harder than I expected. So many issues. I don't understand any of them. So many pull requests. Yeah, I'm out of here. Wait. Before you go away, we want to say that we have something to help you. If you have ever felt like this, overwhelmed, scared, doesn't know how to get started when you land on the repository, we created the How to Contribute to Ruby on Rails guide. This guide is a summary from our Open Source Thursday sessions and our expert sessions with Rails contributors. So here's what you will find when you get your copy. We will answer most of the questions you might have, how to get started, how to navigate the challenges and when you get lost or don't know how to solve an issue, the requirements, the installation, how to ask and give feedback in a polite way, 6 ways to contribute to Ruby on Rails, tips and bits from our own experience, and other cool stuff from our Open Source Thursday sessions. So as you can see, we put a lot of work into make sure that you feel supported and inspired to do this challenging task. And we know how hard it may seem, but if 2 people like us could do it, you can do it as well. So go to the link in the video description to get your copy and get started today. We hope you have a great time. We are sure you're going to learn a lot and have fun. Let us know how is your experience using the guide. We would love to hear your feedback and celebrate your progress and wins together. So if you're feeling excited and ready to join this challenge, go to the link in the video description and get your copy today. So after you get your copy and you get started with contributing to Ruby on Rails, we are also going to send you some email check-ins to keep you on track. So we hope you have a great time with it. Let us know how it goes for you, your feedback, and we would also love to know your progress with it. Thank you for being part of our community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to our newsletter, and to share this guide with your friends and colleagues. See you on GitHub, my friend.